Hello, hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a trip generating web application. So this is a login page. I already created an account for this. I'll just log in with that. So idea is like you need to create a headquarter. So and you will have some cars and drivers. So after that, we'll generate trips for those drivers. Okay. So first of all, we'll create a headquarter from here. As you can see, we don't have any headquarter. So here we'll give a name. I already written down some example. City name and the address and the location, the coordinate of that address using comma separated. Then a phone number. I'm just putting a random number here. Then we're saying that when we will generate the trip, so how much they will cost minimum per kilometer. Then dwell time, minimum max 30 minutes. Then minimum trip duration will be 20 minutes and max will be 45 minutes for this headquarter. So you can click on create and our headquarter is created. We can create more if needed, if you want, and we can select the headquarter from here. Okay, and when we generate the trips, the trips will be under this headquarter. Okay, so after that we'll add some employee type, or yeah, let's go one by one. So we can generate the shift. So we have like two shift here, day or night, day and night. So in the day, it will start from 6 a.m. in the morning and end at 6 p.m. in the evening. The night will start from the 6 p.m. and it will end in the 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay. So if you want, you can update it, like you can make it from 08 to 8, let's say. So yeah, I'll just keep it 6 for now. You can click on update after that. Okay. So after that, we have a employee list, but to create employee or driver, we need to create some employee type first. So we'll click on add new. We'll give it employment type. Let's say we'll give full time, working hour 10 hours, break time 45 minutes. Create, that's one. Then we can create again. Let's say part time, working hours 6 hours, 30 minutes break. Create mini job, working hour 10, break time 45 minutes. It will be like only one day in a week for mini job. So employment type is done. You can create some employee from here. You can give it a name. Let's say Alex. Give some phone number. Employment type, let's say full time. We don't have any vehicle, so let's first create some vehicle. Let's go to vehicle, add new. So give it a model name. Let's say Tesla or something like that. T04 something. Or one vehicle. Then yeah, for now, we'll just keep one. And you can create multiple vehicle, and you can delete from here if you want. And in the employee list, we'll just create employee now. Alex, phone number. Let's say we'll create a full-time employee. Vehicle, we choose the vehicle. He is a day shift. He work in the day, and we can select his off days. As he's a full-time employee, so it will be like just one day. So we'll just click on Sunday. Sunday is off day. Rest of the day he will be working. So create. So our employee is created. After that, uh, we'll go to the trips in a minute. So we have this profile where you can update your name, email, and password from here. Okay. And after that, in the dashboard, we can see our total headquarter, total employee, total vehicle, and total trips generated. Okay. Now let's go to the trip. So if you go to trip list, we don't have any trip for now. and we can select a date. If you want to view previously generated trip, you can just select a date and you can view it here. And in the export button, you can select a date, let's say 20, then select an amount. What is the total amount the driver earned on this day? Okay, so I will just keep it here. Let's say 200. 20 is actually Saturday, so it's, I guess this is the off day of that employee. So yeah, off day of employee Saturday. So let's change the date. Export instead of 20. Let's call it, let's say 15 and 200. We export. It is saying that your export is being processed. So please check the export history once it's completed. So it's done. All the address. Actually, what we are doing. So for getting all the addresses for a location, we are calling a third-party API. That's why it takes some time. So yeah, so this is done now. Now if you are able to like export it here, export it from here. You can also actually view this trip list in our trip list option as well. So you can see, so in 15, so only date is 15. All the trips are generated and all the location. So these are the location actually coming from an API. That's why it takes some time. Yeah. So now if we try to export, and if this is a like long time, we'll get a refresh button here. You can just click on refresh to check the update status. Okay. Yeah. So now if we try to export, so it will generate timesheet. So we'll call it. I'll just give it a name just to identify it later. So just calling it 15 in front of it, and then a logbook as well. Now let's open them. So first open the logbook. So yeah, our logbook is done. It's on date is only 15. And day of the trip is also 15. Then if we check our price, so this is our total price. So you can see total price is 200, which is exactly what we have entered previously. Yeah. So this is you can check the other data as well. So this is fine. I have already checked. So this is the uh, logbook. Now let's open the timesheet for that particular driver. So driver name, start of the sheet, end of the sheet, total online, then inactive, and the date working hours. So yeah, all the data are generated. So this is how actually this software will work. Also, you can actually select like multiple dates from here, start date and end date. Let's say I select start date as 1 and end date as 21. So all the dates are selected, and if you click on export, give it amount, it will start generating trips for all these dates. Okay, and yeah, it might take some time, and we'll see the progress here as well. And yeah, after that, anything I miss? Yeah, I think this is fine. So you can finally log out from here. Okay, you can log in again. So this is the software. Thanks for watching. If you got a project in mind, whether a website, mobile app, or whatever software you need, let's work together. Visit milliontransfer.com and contact me. We'll discuss and build something great together.